Welcome children, exercise 3.3. So first question, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So LHS is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. So sin square pi by 6 is like sin pi by 6 whole square. So sin pi by 6 is 30 degree. So sin 30 is half. So half whole square. Plus cos pi by 3 which is 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Minus tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 square which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So taking LCM 4 into 4. So 2 by 4 minus 4 by 4. So 2 minus 4 by 4 which is minus 2 by 4 which is half. So minus half which is equal to right hand side. Second one, prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 which is equal to 3 by 2. So LHS is 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. So pi by 6 which is 30 degrees, sin 30 of whole square. So half whole square. So 2 into half whole square plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 which is nothing but cosecant square pi plus pi by 6. So 6 into pi, 6 pi plus pi in 7 pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6 which lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant we have tan and cot are positive. So other trigonometric functions are negative. So which is minus cosecant pi by 6. So pi by 6 is cosecant 30 degree. So which is 1 by sin 30. So 2 square. So plus 2 square. So cos square pi by 3. So cos 60 half. So half whole square. So 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. So cancelling this we get 1 by 2 plus 2 square into 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So half plus 1 which is 3 by 2 which is right hand side. So third one, prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 which is equal to 6. So LHS is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. So cosecant 5 by 6 we can write it as cosecant pi minus pi by 6. So 6 pi minus 5 which is 5 pi by 6. So pi minus pi by 6 which lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive. So cosecant pi minus pi by 6 is cosecant pi by 6. That is cosecant 30 degree. So cot pi by 6 which is cot 30 degree. So which is 1 by tan 30. So root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square plus cosecant pi by 6 that is cosecant 30 degree, that is 1 by sin 30 which is 2. So 2 plus 3 tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square. So 3 plus 2 plus 3, 1 by root 3 whole square is 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled which will become 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6 which is RHS. Fourth one, prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 which is equal to 10. Here the LHS sin square 3 pi by 4. So I am writing sin 3 pi by 4 as sin pi minus pi by 4, that is 4 pi minus pi which is 3 pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 which lies in the second quadrant. Here in the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive. So sine pi minus pi by 4 is sine pi by 4. So sine pi by 4 is 45 degree, sine 45 degree. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus 2 cos square pi by 4. 2 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. That is secant 60 degree. So 1 by cos 60, which is 1 by 1 by 2. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 square. So this will become 1, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 4. So 8 plus 1 which is 10, which is RHS. Fifth one, find the value of sine 75 degree. So sine 75 degree, I am writing this as 45 plus 30 degree. We know the value of sine 45 and sine 30. So I am writing this as 45 plus 30 degree. So sine of x plus y, which is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. I am going to use this formula to find the value of sine of 45 plus sine 30 degree. So x is 45 and y is 30. So I am writing this as sine 45 plus 30, which is equal to sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. So simplifying this, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, which is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Rationalizing this, root 2 by root 2, which is equal to root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So the value of sine 75 degree is root 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 4. Fifth question, find the value of tan 15 degree, second subdivision. So I am writing 15 as 45 minus 30. So when I subtract this, I will get 15 degree. I know the value of tan 45 and tan 30 degree. So I am taking this as 45 minus tan 30. So tan of 45 minus 30. Tan A minus B, which is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Using this formula, I am going to find the value of tan 15 degree. So tan 45 minus 30. Here A is 45 and B is 30. So tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. We know that tan 45 is 1 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So substituting this, here also 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So cancelling root 3 and root 3. We have to rationalize this. So into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, which is root 3 minus 1 whole square by, here it is a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. That is root 3 whole square minus 1 square, which is equal to, so this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Using this identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is root 3 whole square 3 minus 2 into 1 into root 3 is 2 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. Here 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2. So taking 2 common, we get 2 minus root 3 by 2. Cancelling this, we get 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 degree is 2 minus root 3. Sixth one, prove that cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y, which is equal to sine of x plus y. So which is in the form of the LHS cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So using this formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, which is nothing but cos of A plus B. Here A is pi by 4 minus x and B is pi by 4 minus y. So using this formula, writing this as cos of pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y, which is equal to cos 2 pi by 4. So 2 pi by 4, cancelling 2 and 4, we get pi by 2 minus x minus y. So which is equal to cos of pi by 2, taking minus common, we write this as x plus y. So cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y, that is cos 90 minus theta, which is sin theta. Here theta is x plus y, so writing this as sin of x plus y, which is right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS. 7th question, prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. So LHS is tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. So using the formula tan A plus B and tan A minus B. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So LHS, here A is pi by 4 and B is, so tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x whole by, now I am going to use the formula for this denominator, tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x. So which is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So whole by 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So I am writing this as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x and the reciprocal of the denominator. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, which is equal to 1 plus tan x whole square by 1 minus tan x whole square. So writing this as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square, which is RHS. 8.1. Prove that cos pi plus x into cos minus x sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x, which is equal to cot square x. So taking LHS, cos of pi plus x, that is pi plus x which lies in the third quadrant. Here tan and cot are positive, cos is negative. So writing this as minus cos x. So cos of minus x is cos x by sin of pi minus x. So pi minus x which lies in the second quadrant. Here sin and cosec are positive, so sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x, that is cos pi by 2 plus x, which lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. Here cos is negative, so cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. So cancelling minus minus, we get cos square x by sin square x. So cos by sin is cot, that is cot square x, which is RHS. 9th one, prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x, which is equal to 1. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x, which lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. So here it is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. So function will change in 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2, and cos is positive. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, which will become sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x, which lies in the first quadrant. Here all the trigonometric functions are positive. So cos 2 pi plus x, which is cos x, into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So I am writing this again, plus cot 2 pi plus x. So sin x into cos x. Here it is cot 3 pi by 2. So cot will change to tan. Now we have to check whether it's positive or negative. So 3 pi by 2 minus x, which lies in the third quadrant. Here in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. We have cot here. So tan and cot are positive. The function will change to tan. So tan x plus cot of 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x, which lies in the first quadrant. All the functions are positive. So cot x, which is equal to sin x cos x. We can write tan x as sin by cos and cot as cos by sin. So sin x cos x, taking LCM, so sin square x plus cos square x by sin x cos x. Cancelling this, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, which is RHS. 10th one, prove that sin of n plus 1 into x, sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x, which is equal to cos x. So LHS, we can write this as sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So using this formula, sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, which is cos of A minus B. So cos of A minus B, here A is n plus 2 and B is n plus 1. So writing this as cos of n plus 2 into x minus n plus 1 into x, which is equal to, cos of nx plus 2x minus nx minus x. This will become cancelled, cos of 2x minus x, which is equal to cos x, which is right hand side. 11th one, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So taking LHS, which is in the form of cos A minus cos B. So cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Here A is 3 pi by 4 plus x and B is 3 pi by 4 minus x. So minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x whole by 2. Here also sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x, so plus x whole by 2. So x and x will get cancelled. Here 3 pi by 4 will get cancelled, which is equal to minus 2 sin 3 pi and 3 pi, which is become 6 pi by 4 by 2. So 6 pi by 4 into 2. Cancelling this, 3 pi by 4 into sine of 2x by 2. So cancelling this, we get minus 2 sine pi by 3 pi by 4 into sine x. So writing 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4. So which is equal to minus 2 sine pi minus pi by 4 into sine x. So pi minus pi by 4, which lies in the second quadrant. Here sine and cosec are positive. So we get minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x. So sine pi by 4, which is 1 by root 2. So we get minus 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x. So rationalizing this, root 2 into root 2. So we get minus 2 root 2 by 2. Cancelling this, we get minus root 2 sin x, which is RHS.